Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. Why to play and deliver checkmate in just 2 moves. So you can pause the video to try and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, so first off we have a queen and two rocks while black has only two rocks. And actually we are completely winning this, right? So the first thing you may probably play is simply capturing the rock, but that doesn't work. Black is going to capture back, and yes, you are winning this, but this is not going to be made in two, right? So the other thing you may probably play is queen to e5 or queen to h2 works as well. And the idea is you are going to deliver checkmate on the next move, right? But this it doesn't work because after black plays the only legal move, you don't have any checkmate, right? You may probably capture this, but this is not checkmate into, right? There is no checkmate. So what other options do you have? Well, you may probably think this way, but that is going to capture your queen and there is no checkmate once again, right? So this is not the solution. And if you try to play this move, well, now what black can do is play king to a8, and this is very clever because now, yes, this is checkmate, but if you count the moves, this is checkmate in three. The challenge is to checkmate in two, right? So one, two, and three. This is three moves, and you are not going to solve the problem, right? So what is the move then? Well, the move is queen to g7. Well, the idea is the 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 rook is pinned actually, so the rook cannot capture our queen. And if black captures our rook, we are going to simply capture the other rook and deliver a checkmate. And if black captures this rook instead, we are going to capture the b7 rook and deliver a checkmate. And if black retreats to the corner, I would just invite you to put the answer in the comment section because I know some of you are very strong player here. So I will pin the correct answer or the correct comment who got the right answer with explanation. So go ahead and put your comment for the pin before anyone else gets the right solution.